This is another unboxing video and I have got Asos January Beauty Box. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. If you're interested in this beauty box for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and you'll also see any giveaways I've got currently running. So Asos released their January beauty box a little while ago. It costs £18, it contains 6 beauty products, and it has a value of £53. Gotta be honest, Asos beauty boxes have been hit and miss for me for a while, for a couple of years. I remember, oh, I sound like an old fart now, but I remember the good old days of beauty boxes. I'm talking 2017, 2018, around that time when beauty boxes were huge. Asos brought out their monthly beauty box and they used to sell out in seconds as soon as they released and shared all over social media. Always a huge sellout because the products are really good and great value. Back then, boxes used to be, I think they were £10 or maybe £12, and they stayed at that price point for a long time. But obviously, as with all beauty boxes and subscriptions as well, things change during COVID, and with the cost of living and everything, we're noticing boxes are getting more expensive and you're not exactly getting a bargain for your money. You still do, but not as you used to do then. Or that's how I feel anyway. I don't know about you, but yeah, that's how I feel. And that's not to say that all their boxes previously have been awful, because they haven't. It's not a subscription. You get to see exactly what's inside the box if you go onto their website, and it's up to you then if you want to get it or not. Sometimes they bring out more expensive boxes like £25 or £30, and it just usually means that there's more products inside. Generally, you're looking at around £18 a box. So it comes with a little leaflet. It doesn't go into detail about the products, but I'll read through it and grab an item as we go along. So this is the Skincare Saviours beauty box. Self-care season is upon us, and in 2025, we're prioritising wellness. If your skin needs some TLC after the festive period, we've got you. Our skincare box is packed with 6 nourishing face and body products from iconic brands, sure to get you feeling fresh and ready for the new year. New skincare arc incoming. Okay, so let's take you through your evening skincare routine. First up, the INKEY list. This is the Oat Cleansing Balm. It just says, simply massage onto dry skin to melt away makeup, add some warm water to emulsify, and then rinse. I've got a few of these. My daughter is obsessed with this. She loves it and she keeps on buying it. Thankfully, through beauty boxes and advent calendars, I've had a few of them as well, so we're well stocked up for the next year. But we always get the full size version. Never seen a little mini one. So this would be a nice little handy travel size for me. I've got some travel plans for the year. Well, one. I'm going for 3 nights back to Iceland with my son. I spotted bargain flights as always. I'm such a bargain hunter. But whenever I see products that I really like and they're in the smaller versions, I just can't help thinking, right, okay, save it for when I go away next. Okay, 3% oat oil helps maintain skin's moisture levels, smooths and deep cleans pores. And that is it. Yeah, it's a really nice cleanser. Okay, what's it say next then? If you're a toner user, the Ordinary's Glycolic Acid 7% exfoliating toner is next on the agenda. Apply the soothing formula to help balance uneven skin texture and dullness as and when you feel like your skin needs it. So I'm sure I have read somewhere that this one in particular is really good for applying to bumpy arms. You know, the little bumps that some people have on their arms, and they might have some on their face and their legs as well, but it's mainly on the tops of their arms there. I'm sure I read somewhere that this was supposed to be really good. I'll have to look into it. My 2 youngest suffer from it, and my son the other day was saying, have I got anything? And normally I've got the cream, the First Aid Beauty cream, which is quite good. So I need to have a look in my stash to see if I've got any. Maybe this might help, I don't know. It says apply once daily, ideally in the evening. And do not apply if you've got sensitive skin. It's an acid, and there's 100 mils there. With 7% glycolic acid, amino acids, aloe vera, ginseng and Tasmanian pepperberry. So we've got an exfoliating toner. It's serum time. Sunday Riley CEO 15% vitamin C brightening serum is the GOAT. It promises to reduce the appearance of dark spots and aging while improving your skin's plumpness. Just apply it to dry skin and massage in. Yeah, this is a good one. I really like this one. How much is in there? So 15 mils, do they say? No, 8 mils. There's 8 mils. It contains 15% vitamin C, so brightens your skin. And as it mentioned in the little leaflet, it's great for pigmentation and dark spots. And yeah, I love a vitamin C, especially the older I'm getting. So now I will use that. Next, if you love a hydrating facial mist, or even if you don't, Mario Badescu's Calming Facial Spray with aloe, herbs and rosewater is the one you need. And this is full size. There's 118 mils there. Spray. I've already got one of these. Ooh, has a rosy smell to it, as you'd imagine, which I don't like, but it's fine. I've got a ton of facial sprays. I love them. I use them all the time before I do my skincare, after I've done my skincare, throughout the day, at night, and I've got ones as well for my body. So as I've already got one of these, I will be passing that on. So you've applied all the goodness, now you've got to lock it in, and Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream is legendary for a reason. This moisturiser is formulated with a bio-nymph peptide complex, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C and E for hydration, firmness and a stunning glow. Glazed skin, anyone? So there's 7 mils here. So it's a little pot, a little sample size. It's a really, really nice cream. Oh, apologies if you can see. I don't know if you've noticed. There, you can see there. It looks like I've got a really dirty hand and I haven't washed properly. I was cleaning out a big box of products to go through from my advent calendars a couple of days ago, and there's a gradual tan with its lid off, and it was spread on a lot of products, and I didn't realise. I just assumed it was a normal moisturiser, but no. I have got tan removers, just haven't got around to doing it. So anyway, back to the Charlotte Tilbury cream. Yeah, this is a really nice cream. Nice and rich for the winter months. Especially great if you've got really dry skin. And then lastly, it's not mentioned on that little leaflet, but we've got Skin Hero by Erborian, and there's 5 mils here. So it's a little sample. So it's a skin perfector cream. So it smooths and blurs, and you can leave it like that, or you can apply your makeup on top. 5 mil here. There's no extra information. No, it just says Bare Skin Perfector, 7 days transformation, silicone free. So those are all the products. We've got the INKEY List Oat Cleansing Balm. We've got the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Exfoliating Toner. We've got a Mario Badescu Facial Spray. We've got CEO Sunday Riley 15% Vitamin C Serum. We've got Charlotte's Magic Cream Moisturiser, 5 mils. And then we've got Skin Hero by Erborian, a little sample skin perfector. I think it's a really nice box this month. You've got a routine in there. There's some nice sizes as well, and not all samples, which we can see a lot of in different beauty boxes. I think for £18 it's a good box. What did I say the value was? It's 50 something, wasn't it? 53 I think. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you get this month's box, or you thought, nah, it's not for you? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.